how to recover deleted emails from your Gmail account. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for each app, and let's get started. So today's tutorial is going to be helpful for people who deleted emails by mistake and want to recover them before they're permanently deleted. So let's directly go to gmail.com and open gmail.com, mail.google.com, and let's now select several emails and delete them. Let's delete these emails. You can undo this from here, but as you can see, it now disappeared. If it disappeared, you should go to the left panel and click on more and then go to trash. As you can see, it tells you that messages that have been in trash more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. So you have to recover them before this period. So if you want to recover these emails, let's select them again and go to move to here on this folder with an arrow inside it. Click on it and then choose inbox. Let's go to inbox. Now let's get back to our main inbox. As you can see, the 4 emails are recovered again. That's all for today. It was very simple and very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.